Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how you can check if an email related to Instagram was really sent by Instagram or if it is spam. First of all, we will check if Instagram is updated. Open the App Store or Google Play Store on your phone and find Instagram. If there is an update button, click it and wait for Instagram to update. After that, open Instagram. When you have opened Instagram, click on your profile icon in the lower right corner. After that, click on the three lines in the upper right corner. A large number of options will open here, of which we need settings. When you open the settings, a new list of options will be displayed. The one we need is the security section. We click. In the security section, we need to find the option emails from Instagram. When we open the mentioned option, we will see a list of email messages sent to us by the official Instagram team. There are also two sections here, security, where we can see email messages related to the security of our account, and the other section, which contains all other messages. In this way, we will know exactly which message came directly from the official address. That would be it for this video. Follow us for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.